Who is it? It's me. Have you got it? Yeah, I've got it. Show me. Show it to me. Let's have a look. Is it real? Okay. Stay there. Give me the box first. Give me the box first. No, you give me the money first. Fine. All right, don't tell anyone about this. Now I know there has been a shortage of these cards and it's entirely created by Nvidia. It's entirely their fault that that's happening. It was a paper launch. We know that. They screwed it up. They even apologize. But for those waiting, let's feast our eyes of what's inside this, the Zotac 3090. It's an RTX card. It's been on order for a while. It's finally arrived and I want to share an unboxing with you guys. So let's dig in. Let's see what's inside. Let's see how big the card is, because the 3090 is an absolute giant beast. Let's zoom in. Those coins right there are what is left of my wallet. That's it, it's gone. This was 2,750 Australian dollaroos. It has 24 gigs of GDDR6X memory. It's got iStorm 2.0, no idea what that means. Some Spectra stuff, Freeze Tech, Firestorm. This is all marketing bullcrap because it is pretty much a reference card, but it is the Trinity design, which is popular within the Zotac. Actually, you know what's funny? This one here, I believe, is also a Zotac or something else that I have, the 1080 Ti, that this is replacing. I bet you a lot of people who bought the 10 series are currently upgrading. So let's see what's inside the box. Oh, actually, what's on the other side? iStorm, advanced GPU cooling. Freeze, stop when GPU is idle. Okay, cool. Dynamic RGB. Of course, there is RGB on this card. I am buying a water block, so expect a video of replacing this cooler with a proper water block. Let's get it open. I bet you a lot of people who have been waiting for this for a long time have already read everything there is about this card. So I'm not gonna go through it. Let's just see what this specific version, Zotac's version of the 3090 is like. That's a pretty cool box, I'll give him that. It's not bad at all. It's got a little sign. Oh, is there another thing to cut? Nope, that's it. Let's open that up. There we go, and slide. Now, I would have this on another nice table, but the monitor is taking up too much space. So we've got Get Amplified, little card inside. Let's have a look what's inside this little baggie. There might be some good stuff, maybe some stickers. I expect stickers, yes, stickers. Very nice and shiny stickers. Do people still stick stickers on computers? I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit tacky. Got some stuff here, nothing too particularly interesting, and we're gonna open this flap to the side and we should get closer to the card. Before we get to the card, let's see what extras it comes with. Obviously, not everybody has 8 pins straight away, or these 2 sets of 8 pins, so you're gonna need these things to get those 2 8 pins in. So we go from 2 6 to 1 8. Yeah, wow, 2 6 to 1 8, and there's 2 of them. That's quite a lot of power this card needs. So I think the minimum is 750 watts that you need, but I would recommend at least 1,000, because as this card ramps up, it'll actually draw more. It'll peak at height first and then it'll go back to a smaller draw. So you need enough to cover that peak. I think that's it. I think there's nothing else in the box but the card. So oh, it's a thick boy. All right, let's just slide it out. Actually, let's get rid of the box. And here we go, let's slide that out. There it is, 3 fans, extremely long, 31 centimeters. I did have to measure it to try and fit it in to my actual case. It'll be floating around. I don't think this can fit right now. It's gonna take me a couple of days to even get it into the computer. But we have on the back a pretty nice shroud. Actually, it's a really nice shroud, look at that. I bet you the RGBs are somewhere in here. Zotac Gaming, 3 fans. And it looks like they all probably will spin the same way, I'm guessing. This way, what do we have on the front? We've got only 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. It is very thick. It should cover about 2.5 slots. You will not be putting next to another card, that's for sure. At the top, we've got the Sli Bridge, which nobody should use because it's useless. And there we have the two 8-pins right here. That's a lot of power. That's a lot of power right there. And then we've got our PCIe 4, I believe it is. So it's not just a 3 anymore. We can do 4, and that's kind of only available on an AMD platform. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful card, and I'm I'm extremely excited to get it running. I doubt I will get it running in the next couple of days just because of the setup I have on my current computer. Like and subscribe, wait for the big build. There will be a water-cooled version of this. I will be rebuilding the whole computer into an AMD Zen 3 build, the 5000 series. So get subscribed to not miss out on exciting stuff like that. It'll be fully water-cooled, and it'll be with new everything. How exciting. Thanks for watching. Catch you all in another one. Bye!